And that's actually a fact. Yeah, I got it like that. That's actually a fact that I get.
What is up, YouTube? Dave with Kickfam back with yet another video for your viewing pleasure. Well, today, this weekend, I am down our vacation house down by the Jersey Shore, and I am actually about to take little Mimi Squad, Paige, and Mommy into Walmart. We're gonna go and see if we can find some crab traps and fishing poles and maybe go on a little fishing trip. So we want you to come along with us as we go on this fishing trip to have a little fun with us. But first, we are still on a road to 1,000 subscribers, and I think we are at about 950 as I am filming this right now. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are feeling the content that we're putting out, hit that thumbs up. Always remember, drop comments down below and let us know how you feel about our channel. So let's go ahead and get into Walmart. All right, so we are about to walk up to the fishing pole section, and let's see if they have, because they've been sold out a lot lately. I got this. Good eye. I got this one for. Hold up.
Am I videoing?
Bringing it from the yacht. It's only 29. See, this one only I would have to buy.
That's the one we were gonna get, remember, with the kit?
Yeah, I have to buy everything if I buy this. Alright, we found the fishing poles and we're gonna look for some crab traps. I see. We're gonna look for some crab traps as well, so we'll get back to you as soon as we get outside. Alright, so we did get what we went for. I got a fishing rod, which is right here. Bam! Poof. So tomorrow morning, me and the kids and Mom are gonna go fishing. They don't know this yet, so I just told them. So we're gonna go fishing in the morning and they're gonna have fun. All right, so it's the next day. As you can see, we just left the bait and tackle store and we're gonna go ahead and go fishing out on the bay by the Jersey Shore, and I got the whole crew with me. Look. Got Mimi Squad, got Peyton, got our good friend Paige that's always scared of the camera. We got Mom Dukes. So we'll see you when we get over to the bay. So this is the girls' first time fishing. You excited to go fishing, girls?
Yes.
Mia, what are you gonna try and get? You gonna try and get some crabs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. You got a crab trap? I got you a crab trap.
I want to get the biggest fish.
Alright, so this is the first time the girls are going fishing, and this is the first time we're actually going fishing as a family. So we're actually pulling up now to the dock, so we will get back to you once we get settled. Alright, Punk, we got the crab trap and then 3 fishing rods, right? Alright, you ready? Let's go up on the pier and see, and I guess see what we can do up there, okay? You ready? So what are you grabbing? You grabbing the fishing? You gonna grab the crab trap? Alright, grab the crab trap. Got it? Grab a fishing rod, I guess, girl. Hold that. I'll grab that stuff. Peyton, grab a fishing rod. You want to hold the camera? Alright. Go ahead, go.
Here, tell mommy. You gonna record me? Hold this. Look, I'll show you. Ready? Got some steak, right? Shh. Don't tell anybody our secret stuff. Huh?
Where you putting the worms
In this?
Oh, crabs eat steak.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Just make sure you're not in people's way.
Put steak in there. Mom, you should have left the phone at the car.
What?
Good? Ready? Put this on. I hope this holds. I lose something $13 off me. You know that, right?
Tied it tight, right?
What are we going to do when we get home?
It looks tight. Think it's tight now? Steak fell out. It's tight enough, babe? Hmm?
Yeah.
Ready, babe? Ready, Mimi?
It disappeared. What are we gonna do now?
Wait.
How much longer are we gonna wait?
It can't be like that. We're fishing and crabbing and everything. You gotta wait.
But how is
Not like you're gonna hurry up.
Where'd you put the worms at? Hold it.
Oh, one is moving. Ew.
They're alive, you weirdo.
Ew, what?
That one just moved.
They're supposed to.
This one right here? This one?
Try to hold it. Try to hold it.
What happened, me?
That one?
Alright, Peyton. Alright, Peyton.
Alright.
Because I don't want her to fall.
No.
What'd you think? They were dead? No. I used to play with the worms when I was little. I told you that.
Hold on. Don't do that to a worm.
Don't do it to a worm.
I used to eat them.
You killed it.
Well, what are you supposed? That's not dead.
Yes, it is. You're poking it.
It doesn't feel it me.
Doesn't feel.
So it's still alive? Two.
The fish is gonna
Yeah, I knew.
eat it anyway.
I knew she would do that with a worm.
She thought they was dead.
As you can see, she did not like that worm. So let's see if we can catch a fish. We'll be back shortly. We got a baby crab. Hear me?
Can I hold it?
Gotta grab it by the two legs in the back, or it's gonna bite you.
Hey.
You don't want it?
Oh, I hear it.
Yeah. What's it doing?
Damn it.
How about you, Paige?
Get that out of here.
Here, you want to pet him?
No. Put some tape on that. What are you doing? Nope.
They're just eating our worms.
This seaweed keeps falling off.
Maybe I should go get what you call it real fast.
No.
No, what? Let's go get some squid or something.
Squid for what?
You can catch flounder with squid. Well, hold it. Why are you so scared of the fishing rod?
What are you so scared of?
Because of the hook.
You're gonna be fine.
Oh, really?
Hold it.
Wheel it in. Just the life in a day of a bloodworm. Oh, she's back. Who is it? Who is this?
Me squad.
Mimi Squad? Are you having fun, Boo Boo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hot out. Ew.
You ready to go home?
No, I want to fish. Crab. Then you. Where did Mom go?
Mom's down there.
You can hear him going.
Hello, Mr. Krabby. The bucket's in the car, though.
I want to show Mom.
You gotta get the bucket. Where's the car keys? Mommy got the car keys?
I think so.
Mommy got the car keys, Peyton? Ask Mommy for the car keys. You gotta get the bucket. Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, look, the turtle. Peyton, I'll give you $20 if you let it bite you.
I'll let him bite you.
Really bad.
I'll let him pierce my ear for 20.
I'm saying you can give me 100 and I wouldn't do it. Let it bite him
out of
first.
the kid's pocket.
$20.
I'll give her 20.
No.
Where's the car keys at, babe?
In the bag.
She's using them as a weight. I did that before.
Yeah. That one claw.
Nah.
Go ahead. So put it on her. Put it on her. Where's Mommy's phone so I can? Don't touch it. I don't want you getting bit. This lady threw her whole trap. Look at her. She threw her whole trap.
I slipped.
You slipped. Look like you jumped into me.
A woman did it last week and she did it so much more smoothly than I just did.
So girls, did you have fun?
Yeah.
So, very fun?
Very hot.
Oh, very hot?
Can we do this again?
Yeah, we'll do it again. We'll do it again, okay? So we call it one, right? One keeper, that's all we call it, girls.
Yeah, but we gave it to somebody.
You gave it to somebody? Did you had fun though?
Yeah.
All right, so thank you for watching. This is the Kickfam on our first crabbing and fishing trip. Plenty more to come. I hope you've had fun watching it. Remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, drop comments down below. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.
Big facts.
Bye, Mimi.
Yeah, I'm fucking big facts. And that's actually a fact. Yeah, I got it like